Welcome to episode 10 of our photo series. Today we are diving into the captivating world of black and white photography. This timeless form of art strips away the distractions of color, allowing you to focus purely on elements like light, shape, emotion, and contrast. Let's explore the beauty of black and white photography together. Hey everyone, I'm here to help you master your camera and unleash your creative potential. In white photos, and share with us what drew you to this style of photography. Was it the simplicity, the drama, or the challenge of capturing the perfect shot without relying on color? We'd love to hear from you. High contrast can add drama and a sense of depth to your photos, while low contrast can create a softer, moodier look. If color is essential to your message, like capturing the vibrant blue of the sky at sunset or the bold red of a fashion accessory, don't remove it. Black and white works best when the form of an object or scene is more important than its color. Now I hope you are inspired to go out and take your own black and white photos. Now it's time to put them into practice and create your own stunning black and white images. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. And now, it's time for you to take what you've learned and go out there and take some amazing black and white photos. We can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching. So grab your camera and go explore the world in black and white. You don't need expensive gear or fancy software to get started. All you need is a camera and an eye for detail. You can shoot in manual mode to have full control over your settings, or use auto mode to let the camera do the work. Experiment with different lenses and angles to find your unique style. Black and white photography is a great way to express yourself and tell stories without the distraction of color. It can help you connect with your subjects on a deeper level and capture the essence of a moment in time. Contrast is your main tool in black and white photography because you no longer have the vibrancy of colors to catch the viewer's eye. Instead, differences in tone and shade become even more important. A good black and white image usually has a full range from pure black to bright white, including rich midtones. The absence of color directs the viewer's focus to the texture of the image. Pay attention to the details. What patterns, lines, shapes, or textures can you find that make the image more interesting? Shooting in black and white encourages you to look for these details, because they are more prominent without the distraction of color. Now let's dive right in and discover how to capture stunning black and white images. Why would you want to limit yourself to black and white photography? While it's great to get the shot right in camera, sometimes you need to enhance your black and white images in post-processing to really make them stand out. Here are some tips to help you edit your black and white images like a pro. First, use curves to control the contrast and tonal range of your image. You can also use contrast and clarity sliders to achieve similar results. Then consider dodging and burning to shape the light and depth in your image. Dodging is brightening specific areas of your image, while burning is darkening them. You can do this manually by painting over the areas you want to adjust, or use an automated masking tool for a quicker result. Additionally, you might want to use the radial filter to add a vignette to your image, which can help draw attention to the center of the frame. Just be careful not to overdo it. Finally, don't forget to crop your image to improve the composition and eliminate any distractions. By using these editing tools, you can elevate your black and white images and bring out their full potential. Remember, the goal of editing is to enhance your image, not completely change it. So use these tools subtly and tastefully to achieve the best results. Well, because sometimes less is more. It simplifies the scene and allows you to emphasize the mood, emotion, and story of your subject. Removing color can help isolate the form, texture, and contrast in a scene, allowing you to focus on the essence of your subject. Start by looking for strong shapes. Shapes are an excellent starting point for black and white photography because they provide a clear focal point and help lead the viewer's eye through the image. Look for repeating patterns or geometric shapes, as they can add visual interest and create a sense of rhythm in your composition. Next, look for dramatic light. The interplay between light and dark areas is crucial in black and white photography, as it creates contrast and helps to define the subject. Look for scenes with high contrast between the highlights and shadows, as they can add drama and depth to your images. Also, look for interesting textures. Textures add depth and visual interest to your black and white images. Look for scenes with rough, smooth, grainy, or patterned textures, as they can create a sense of depth and dimension. Details like cracks, wrinkles, and patterns can all add visual interest to your photos. Finally, look for emotion-rich scenes. Black and white photography is a powerful way to evoke emotions and tell stories. Look for scenes that convey a strong message or evoke an emotional response. These could be images of people, places, or things that have a strong connection to your personal experiences or memories. Don't be afraid to experiment and try out different angles, perspectives, and compositions to find the perfect shot. With a little practice and patience, you'll be able to capture stunning black and white images that will leave your viewers in awe. Remember, black and white photography is about seeing the world in a different way. It's about embracing the power of light and shadow, and using it to create images that are both visually striking and emotionally resonant. So go out there and explore the world in black and white. By doing so, you can train your eyes to notice other important aspects of the shot, like shadows, highlights, lines, and depth, which are just as crucial in creating a compelling black and white image as they are in color. And as you develop your eye for these elements, you'll start to see the world in a whole new way. The possibilities for artistic expression in black and white photography are endless. Now, before we move on, let me know in the comments below if you have ever taken any black. When it comes to shooting in black and white, it's essential to look for certain elements that make for a great shot. As you progress in your black and white photography journey, pay attention to the contrast levels in your images. Remember, not every scene needs to be in black and white. Now let's talk about editing your black and white photos. Let's take a look at some examples of black and white photography. I've shared with you some tips and tricks to help you get started. Thank you for joining us on episode 10 of our photo series.